Redness and blotchy skin are often seen as normal after a Brazilian wax. They aren't. For elite professionals, irritation is actually a sign of incorrect technique. Today, I'm revealing the zero redness routine used in luxury waxing clinics. Step 1. The cold chain preparation. We regulate skin temperature before waxing begins. Cooling the skin before treatment helps improve comfort and may reduce the appearance of temporary redness. Step 2. The zonal application. Instead of large sections, professionals work in small, controlled zones. Proper application allows the wax to grip the hair effectively while minimizing unnecessary contact with surrounding skin. Step 3. Remove the wax quickly while keeping the pull close and parallel to the skin. Immediately afterward, gentle pressure can help improve comfort. Small adjustments in technique can make a noticeable difference in the overall client experience. Step 4. Apply a soothing post-wax mist or lotion recommended for sensitive skin. Step 5. Finish with a lightweight serum or moisturizer to support the skin's natural barrier. With proper preparation, technique, and aftercare, many clients experience a more comfortable waxing session and calmer-looking skin. Every client's skin is different, so individual results may vary. Professional technique and proper aftercare are essential. For more professional beauty education and evidence-informed waxing techniques, subscribe to MTH Health.